Did you know a rhinoceros horn is made of keratin, the exact same protein as your hair and fingernails? It is not bone. Rhinos have thick, armor-like skin that can be 2 inches thick, but it is actually sensitive to sunburn and insect bites, which is why they love rolling in mud. Despite their massive size and strength, rhinos have terrible eyesight and often charge at trees or rocks by mistake if they get spooked. They rely heavily on their sense of smell. If you want to charge into knowledge, hit like and subscribe for more heavy-duty facts.